Welcome back, yo. It's your G beat to G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Kenyan trap beat today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite producer, Beto G. Today's Kenyan trap beat. So, when launching on FL Studio, put your cursor like this on your FL Studio app. Right click on your mouse, then click open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So, I just need to enter my FL Studio app like this. I've already opened my FL Studio app. I'm going to click on add. This is my screen, this is my channel rack, this is my playlist, this is my mixer, this is my channel rack here. So I'm going to click on add, then I'm going to click on harmless. As you can see, this is my plugin. I'm going to put my cursor here. I will left click and hold the left click button on my mouse, and then just scroll the mouse wheels to channel 6 like this, and then put my cursor on top of the harmless like this. Right click on my mouse, and then click open. And then this is my piano roll like this. So I'll then put my cursor here. When this arrow is showing up and down, I will left click and hold it, drag it up to make sure I minimize the space to see everything I'm working. That's okay. Now I'll first of all just program the first and the second melody, and then copy right to bars number 8. First, this melody is not sounding very good. I'll click on this number 6. I'll click on this blocking options, click on preset, then I'll pick one called cubic. First of all, it's not sounding very good, so I'll click on this blocking options, click on this preset. I'll click on this Jupiter. This is my Kenyan trap beat today. I'm going to be making Kenyan trap beat. Now I'll right click, then click piano roll. I'll right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. Now let's continue. As you can see, this is going to be just the bass melodies. So I'll click on select here, which you can see press Ctrl and A on your keyboard, then press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. This is just the bass melody. Now let's pick another one again. So I'll click here, view channel rack. This is our channel rack. But now we are working on pattern mode. When arranging a beat in our playlist, we are going to switch it to song mode here. So I'm going to click on add. Then I'll click on this plugin called FL keys. After that, I'll just put my cursor on top of the empty space, left click my mouse, left click button, just scroll the mouse wheels up, channel 7, put my cursor on top of the FL keys, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. That's okay. Now I'll just program the first 2 melody, then copy right to bars number 8. You follow my YouTube channel, that's a simple step to program your beat. Now let's go. As you can see, I've just programmed the second melody. I've programmed the first 2 bars. So I've pressed Ctrl and A. Then I'll then press Ctrl and B again several times to reach this bar number 8. After that, I'm going to modify this note. I'll pitch this one up, bring this note a little bit, turn this one up, bring this other small note a little bit. That's okay. This is our Kenyan trap beat. Now let's go to the hi-hat. Here, I will right click and then click piano. I'll just try. I will right click and then click piano roll. That's okay. So I'll just program the first 2 bars of my hi-hat. Copy right to bars number 8. That's okay. After that, press your Ctrl and A, and then press Ctrl and B on your keyboard to reach this bar number 8. The next step, I'll view channel rack, the snare. I'll right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. At 1, I'm putting my snare. At 2, at 3, at 4, at 5, at 6, at 7, at 8. Another bounce. Take note of this bounce. This is another bounce. Good. Now let's go to our kick. The main source, our kick. Let's go to our kick now. I will left click, I will drag it to channel 1, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll, and up my piano roll. Make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Program inside the bars, each bar, so you are programming. Now let's go. At 1, at 2, number 2 bar. At 1 again. Very simple for your Kenyan TRAP beats. For new beginners, I'm putting 3 kick here, 1 kick here, 2 kick here, 1, 2 kick here. Very simple. Good. You are finished. Let's view our channel rack again. Our melody is in channel 6 and 7. On channel 6, I want to bring down the melody a little bit. On channel 7, I'll bring down the melody a little bit. Then let's mix our melodies. Channel 6, I'll click on slot 1, add the frequency limiter. On slot 2, I'll add the frequency parametric EQ2. On slot 3, I'm going to add the frequency soft clipper. On slot 4, I'm going to add the frequency delay 2. Then turn the mix level right down to mix level 1%. The last melody, slot 1, I'll click here, add the frequency limiter. On slot 2, I'll just click on slot 2, add the frequency soft clipper. Make sure you master this blocking to mix your beats. These are the basic blocking you can use to mix your beat right into details. Slot 3, I'm going to add a frequency parametric EQ2. Just bring it down a little bit to 0.8 decibels. That's it. It's okay. On 3, I'm going to turn on my hi-hat. Slot 1, I'll just click here, I'll add a sound goodnizer. Then on 4, which is snare, I'll click on slot 1, add a frequency limiter. Then bring down the gain a little bit. That's okay. Then on our kick, I'm going to turn up the kick. That's good. Now let's check our kick. Let's check it. We having both our kick. So now let me show you how to boost your kick. You click on your kick like this. Click on this effect target. Turn the boost knob right up to 58%. I mean to 71%. That's okay. Now let's go to our playlist. We put our cursor here. This view playlist. We click here. Where you have written part 1, just put your cursor like this on top of the part 1. Right click on your mouse. Then click split by channel. That's okay. As you can see, FCWR program has appeared on the top left corner on our FL Studio app, which you have to just come here. Make sure you use when transporting to our playlist. Make sure you use these tools up here. Make sure you use them. First of all, click on this draw. Then just come down here. Click on your kick. Then click back into your playlist. Make sure it align. Don't shift it behind like this. Let it align like this. Click on your hi-hat. Click back. Click on your snare. Just click back. Click on your first melody. And click back. Click on your last melody. Then click back. That's okay. The next step, make sure you always use these tools up here to arrange your beat into your playlist. These tools up here are very important. Take note, these tools up here, the draw tool, the paint, the delete, the mute, the sleep, the slice, the select, the zoom, the playback, and the play pause song. So the next step, what to do here is to click on select. Put your cursor like this on here, left click and hold it. Drag your mouse to the left, which another way to highlight it like this. You can still press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to highlight it, then press Ctrl and B several times to extend your beat to make it longer. That's okay. I'm extending my beat now. So after that, you just need to drag this one behind. Put your cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it a little bit in front to see what you are doing, to see the whole space of your song. Another step, make sure you use these tools. Always use these tools. I'll click on draw again. Put my cursor like this. right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the hi-hat, right click to remove the snare. This is my intro section. Then I'm going to use these tools again. I'll click on select, put my cursor, highlight to the left, which you can say press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B again to extend your beat. That's okay. I'm going to arrange my beat now. I'm extending my beat now to my outro. Now, this is my outro. I'll click on my FL keys, extend it. I'll put my cursor on top of my hi-hat, right click to remove the hi-hat. On top of the snare, I'll right click to remove the hi-hat. Now let's go to our mixer. This is our mixer 3 and 4. I will right click, then click create automation clip. On 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip. Now let's check back. This is our automation clip. This is our automation clip. That is, the function is to control the beat volume automatically. We are already finished making our Kenyan trap beat. To play this on your playlist, you have to switch it to song mode. This is our song mode. Turn it on, because if you don't turn it on, you only play this channel rack pattern, which you won't hear the intro and the outro. So turn it to song mode, turn it, switch it. Now let's play it. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Kenyan trap beats. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.